Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana hobby guy. And today's Sunday, and going out to lunch with my wife. I haven't been out of the house for over 2 weeks now. And we went to just the greatest place called Louisiana Purchase Kitchen.
I am here with the wife at Louisiana Purchase Kitchen, and we are getting some lunch. If you've never been here before, this is a buffet, and I've got starting with some gumbo and baked chicken.
I don't remember all the names of the food, but it was so great.
I don't even know what I got here.
Fried fish, like a
Fried-
fish, fried chicken.
Fried chicken,
That
carrot,
souffle was off the charts. Off the
eggplant.
charts.
Yeah, I got the eggplant,
Off the charts, good.
and it is good. It looks like some good stuff.
My wife,
So,
my beautiful
wife
wife
got
of
the
74
chicken.
years old,
On the fried fish.
And the
she
fried
just
fish.
absolutely enjoyed
And
herself
we
here.
about to eat pepper rice, eggplant, southern fried fish, Cajun baked chicken. Oh my God, this is so delicious.
All of the New
Fried
Orleans
chicken. They have
classics.
some of the best fried chicken around. Chicken and waffles, if you want. Macaroni and cheese,
Oh.
mashed potatoes,
That chicken was
roast
so
pork,
good.
corn, steamed broccoli, smothered cabbage. Oh my God,
Lots
that
of people
is
love
so
that chicken and waffles.
incredible. How do you
Eh,
guys?
man.
What is up with you guys, man? Where did you learn how to cook?
When you learn it, oh, you don't do that one.
That is so good. That's so good.
He realized he was on camera.
Amazing.
He just ran from the
He's
camera.
a little camera shy. He ran to the back. Spinach, artichoke,
Oh, the carrot souffle.
cornbread, pumpkin cheesecake.
That
oh my
was
God, it
fantastic.
so incredible. Yep, here he comes.
Cornbread.
He's afraid of the camera.
Look at him
Chocolate
run.
pudding, which was really good, and the icing on the cake, the homemade bread
Oh,
pudding,
my
and
favorite.
the rum sauce.
My favorite.
And that is about it. We are finished. Heading
I'm
back to
watching
the car.
this
I got to
with
tell
you.
you this Louisiana.
I'm watching this
Purchase.
video with you.
I got the Louisiana Purchase Kitchen is got one of the best menus. Every single
Just
piece of
outside the
food on
city.
there was perfect. We are in Metairie, Louisiana, which is the suburbs of New Orleans. It's not on? Okay. That's about it. So, thanks for watching.
If you ever in the New Orleans area and you want to have a really, really good lunch, like for instance, a buffet style. I love the buffet styles, not to overeat, but to take just a little bit. You saw my plate, a little bit of each and every different one. And oh my gosh, this place gets 2 thumbs up. So the 2 best lunches in New Orleans, I think, is the Court of Two Sisters on Royal Street and the Louisiana Purchase Kitchen out in Metairie on Veterans Boulevard. Just the 2 best. If you're looking for Chinese buffet, you're not going to really find anything good in New Orleans. You got to drive out onto Highway 90 out to Paradis, Louisiana. It's about a 30-minute drive from the city, and once you're in Paradis, you can spit to the other side. You'll see the Chinese restaurant on the right-hand side, Happy something or other. But that's the only place to get Chinese food, and it's well worth the ride. So if you're in New Orleans, write down these places before you go. Make sure you visit Louisiana Purchase Kitchen. It's on Veterans Boulevard in Metairie, just outside the city, and the Court of Two Sisters. Now, the Court of Two Sisters, very expensive, about $40 a head. Is it worth it? The food is fantastic. I don't think it's worth $40. Louisiana Purchase Kitchen, oh my gosh, $20 with tip out the door per person, and you're going to get the most delicious, authentic New Orleans Cajun Creole style food you can imagine. It is absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed coming out to lunch with me as much as I enjoyed bringing you along today. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
In the heart of the bayou where the moss hangs low, the hobby guy's laser is ready to glow. He's got the bayou spirit and a steady hand, crafting with precision, yeah, it looks so grand. Laser light, cut and fine, bayou crafts with a Cajun shine. Watch it burn.